Hello everyone, let's learn how to mark as unread Instagram messages. If you've ever wished for a way to keep track of important messages or conversations, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you the simple steps to mark Instagram messages as unread, helping you stay organized and never miss a message again. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. If I open my chats on Instagram, and go long press on any chat, you can see I don't have option to set message as unread. So to do that you need to set Instagram account to professional type. We will do that like this. Go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and click on First Option Settings and Privacy. On this menu scroll down to find option called Account Type in Tools, and when you find click on it. Now switch to Professional Account, by tapping on it and follow the steps that Instagram asks you to do. Next go again on your chats. Then choose one chat, and go long press on that chat. That open a side menu and click on option called Mark as Unread, in my case that is second option, and finally that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.